Easy weeknight dinner. Easy, simple recipe. Just broccoli, chicken sides or chicken breast you have it, and some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, 2 onion, 2 tomatoes, and your 2 large broccoli, your spices. And then we are not cooking this dinner with water today. We're gonna stir fry, and that are we gonna do. It's so simple and easy to make, delicious and amazing. Good recipe for easy meal, quick dinner, for night, for evening after coming back from work. This simple dish here is very unique and healthy dish. You are a kind of person who like to go for homemade meal like this one. These are the best, and I love homemade meal because they are simple and they are just so delicious, and they always be leftovers for tomorrow when you don't want to cook anymore in the morning. You can have some leftovers for yesterday, and that's the good thing about homemade food, because no matter what, you can still have some leftovers in your fridge, and that is amazing. And most of the time, this ingredient we're gonna use, you have them in the fridge most of the time. A lot of people do have them in the fridge except broccoli, or maybe some carrot. But most of majority of the spices or ingredient I'm using here, you can even go to your kitchen right now and open your fridge. You're gonna find them in there, and you're gonna just start make it just like that, and it's gonna be simple. Let me know what is your favorite part in the comment section below. And to my favorite part of the video is just sliding that chicken size and to cube so perfect, and sliding the rest. Cutting the vegetable is a good feeling, like it's a cool feeling ever. You like that? Oh my. And in the meantime, I was frying my onion in the other side with the olive oil, because today I wanted to be healthy. So I cook healthy dish. So you are in a mission for healthy food, come here. This channel here, you're gonna find healthy homemade meal, hot and fresh from the store, just like that. And you're just gonna eat your heart out. Join me as we make this amazing dish. There we go. What I would like to say, I would like to thank you guys for joining the channel. I would like to thank you for joining. You wish to say something or maybe like comment, you can comment. I have a community. I have a community there. You can comment, or maybe you can share what you want me to make next, and I will be happy to do it. And you have like any time to spare, you can share this channel. You can comment and subscribe, support the channel, and I will be happy. Thank you for tuning by, and thank you for watching this amazing channel. And let's go ahead and discover this recipe. So good and amazing. Broccoli. Who doesn't like broccoli except kids? But kids sometimes they can be tricked by the aroma and the beauty of the food and how it's delicious, and then they just eat like that. I know it's gonna be hard. I have a son too who doesn't like broccoli, but is eating it now, like I told you. We can trick them by just adding some few green color there, because kids like colors. And when they see that fabulous colors on the food, they're gonna fall in love with that. And that is the chicken with slide. But just a simple request, like when you're watching your chicken breast, make sure to add a little bit of salt to give it that moist, or this to give it that sop. So good and amazing, like I'm telling you. That 2 large onion I cut and fry. Add my chicken inside, and then now I'm seasoning it with the spices. We're gonna let it cook like that. We're not adding water today. This dish is water is off limit today. There's no water in this dish, except the vegetable are gonna provide us with the cool, amazing water. The water they encourage the content. Oh wow, so good and amazing. This dish is so good and amazing. I couldn't stop eating it until now. Yes, I still have a little bit leftovers in the fridge, so I think I should go and warm some up for myself. I love this. I love broccoli though, actually. I love like healthy food, actually. Yeah, sometimes I go overboard, order myself KFC. Like before yesterday, I ordered myself KFC, but in the evening, I decided to cook. This is like a weekend night meal, and this is what I'm making right now, so that in the morning, I don't have to get up and cook again. I can just have it in the fridge right there in my nose, and then just warm it up and eat. So far, there, the red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, or orange bell pepper, and tomatoes. I slide them and then add them in there. After the chicken has cooked for 25 minutes in that a little bit of oil and the seasoning we fried a little bit, we stir fried a little bit. We didn't put water. We just only cooking it naturally. Now the vegetable are gonna provide water for us to cook it. We're gonna stir fry it. We are not adding anything else. I let the soybeans and the carrot let them simmer down a little bit and then add broccoli after, because my soup is small, it's not that big. So I added a bit by a bit and let it cook by small. But don't overcook your vegetable. I know mine are a little bit overcooked, but I like them. They are not crunchy anymore when they like just soft. I like them like that. But if you like them with crunch, you just give them like 5 minutes should be good. But don't forget to add your soy sauce. It's gonna give it that delicious and that flavor, like I'm telling you. And now we are here. The food is done cooking. I'm gonna serve myself big time because you know me. I like food and I like to eat and I like to cook. That's the thing I do the most. And cleaning too. Of course, we all love food. Food is our source of survival in this world. That's what we eat to survive. So it's good to love food, and there's a limit to loving food, but it's good. It's good. So you're stopping by for the first time. Thank you for joining, and thank you for coming, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sharing. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part of this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.